To download the ringtones on Xiaomi 17T Pro, there's like a few methods. I'm going to show you two of them. The first one, the official way, you have to open the themes application. Now go for the ringtone over here at the top, and now just search for a ringtone that you like. So we can input some phrases, some types, or you can pick it up from recommendation. Like for example, we want to get a lifestyle. What you can find here, for example, the Santorini 30 seconds. You can volume up. There we go. If you like it, you are clicking here, you clicking ringtone, and now after a few seconds it will be downloaded and set as your ringtone. But this is not everything, because if you want to get more popular ringtones or songs or sounds like one-to-one, you can get them by using the Zatch application that you have to download from the Google Play Store. So this is its name, this is its icon, by the way. There we go, this one. You will have to just get it on your phone. Before, I have to actually download it, update it to open. And after that, when you open this application, that will allows us to simply pick up anything that you want, completely for free. You can also pay for this application to avoid ads, but if you want to get it for free, you are picking ringtones, you are checking or searching for something. If I want to get, for example, a ringing old phone, there we go, I'm clicking here, I'm clicking on the download, and you can download, you can save to the media folder or set as a ringtone.